Welcome to Midtherm Laser.
We are a subcontract laser cutting and forming specialist. We're based in Dudley in the Black Country. The Black Country is renowned for its industrial heritage, and we're still working with metal but doing it in a much more modern way. We're currently running 4 press brakes from 55 tonne all the way up to 250 tonne, and we can form up to 4 metres long. If you're in the market for any laser cutting or forming, you'd like any more information, have a look on our website or give us a call.